A very good afternoon, Team Zimbabwe. Masquera say, and I'm here so that we talk about important matters. Because no true tepfenyora tiri paruzevha tiri kumusha today or this week ndakaenda paruzevha and I don't know if my network is going to permit me, but I'm trying my level best. So let us talk about DJ levels. DJ levels vakasungwa nezuro, and the crime is that he's being accused of raping Shashi, a musician who used to record at at Chul Sport. So as you can see on the screen, my system, but I will try to put it right here on the screen for you to be able to see. So as you can see right here on the screen, the pictures, these are the pictures of DJ Levels arriving at the Harare Magistrates Court, and he was accompanied by DJ Fandan, and these are the pictures here. DJ Fandan on this picture, he got turned away from the court because of inappropriate dressing. Pashoti ari kuti hanzi hazvibvumirwe kuuya kudare redzimhosva wakapfeka short, so he was turned away, and he was this picture was taken while he was on his way out. So guys, another issue here. Former Minister of Health Obadiah Moyo was also in presence, or was also in attendance, and this is according to this tweet, which says former Minister of Health Obadiah Moyo at court in solidarity with his daughter who got Levels arrested. So Shashio reported the matter against Levels, and Levels got arrested. So they must arrest this rapist for raping our health sector during his tenure. Okay. Hanzi vana totambudza vabereki shuwa, baba kuona mwana achikoerwa naLevels. Aya mudhara madzikisirwa apa mutandara sei nemamwe madhara pakadai, nyadzo dzacho ma1. Guys, a lot of people are taking this for fun, but these charges are not small charges. These are very, very serious charges which are being leveled against Levels himself. So it's believed kuti mukomana akazvimanikidzira aka pachibhebi pachimusikana chimwana chaObadiah Moyo, and isusu takanga tisipo, we were not there, so we can't exonerate Levels, we cannot pin the crime on him, but we are going to report it as it is, as it will be happening. That is what we are going to do. We are not going to take any sides to say Shasha akarepwa here kana kuti Levels akarepa here. We are not going to take that position, because that is the role of the courts. This matter is before the courts, and we are going to let the courts deal with this matter. Levels is not a politician, and however, is connected to some offices. I saw Tafadzwa Mugwadi posting a picture achitaura chiti zviri kuitika pakati peava neava 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 zviri kufanira kunge zvichipera. I respect both sides, what that was Tafadzwa Mugwadi there. I don't know if he was trying to defend Levels or what, but this is what is happening. Other people or other sources are saying kune nyaya dzefactionalism dziriko, and vanhu zviri kunzi team iri rakaenda kusaidi riri wrong, zviri kunzi rakaenda kusaidi risiri iro. That is the reason why vakuherereswa kana kuti vakuteerwa. Pane chimwe chikwata-kwata kana kuti chimwe chitimutimu so chinenge chiri kuvhima vamwe papapa. So we'll wait to see what is going to happen next panyaya idzidzidzi, guys, but this is what is happening in the nation of Zimbabwe. DJ Levels appeared to a court today, facing the charges of raping Shashio, his long-time ex-girlfriend. So this is what is happening in Team Zimbabwe, or this is what was happening at the magistrate court today. So as I mentioned earlier, when we started this live program, I'm broadcasting live from my raw areas, and the network here is not so good, but I will make sure that I try by all means to be coming live each and every time. So Econet akutorina network yacho, so we sourced another network, but it's not so strong, but I hope that it will be able to do the job which needs to be done. So this is it, Team Zimbabwe. Let us meet in other episodes and other broadcasts. My name is Ronald Wekwamakushi, and I will continue to bring some